It's time to bring your dreams to life. Chase them and flaunt them by living in the luxurious St. Andrew's Gardens student accommodation in Liverpool. A perfect lock and leave structure situated on 21 Moore Place, right next to the River Mersey. With its cozy bedrooms featuring comfortable beds, study tables, shelves, a side table to keep your favorite books and family portrait, you'll feel right at home. And that's not all. This housing also has a communal lounge with TV for entertainment, laundry room, bike storage for those who love outdoor explorations on 2 wheels, plus an outdoor area where you can take evening strolls with friends while soaking up some English charm. With a mere 2-minute walk from the University of Liverpool and a 15-minute bus ride to the University of Liverpool Management School, you're all set for your university life. On weekends, why not try out some delectable Kaiser salads or lamb kofta at Quarter Mediterranean Restaurant near Mada's Food Supermart, so you can grab any goodies on your way back home. Don't miss out on your visit to World Museum. With interactive natural history and world cultural exhibits, it promises to be an exciting day out. If you're looking for somewhere to stay that is both dramatic and elegant, look no further than St. Andrew's Gardens. At Amber, we make sure to suggest you the best accommodation as per your needs, budget, and university location. Connect with us today and book yourself an unforgettable experience.